Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how the last layer OLL of a Cfop method. So Cfop method is one of the most popular method and widely used by the top of the speedcubers. So we're teaching you, I have taught in my last video this 2-layer OLL. Now I'm going to be teaching you here OLL. So what is OLL is, you complete here, see all of the pieces, you complete all of the pieces only one color. So how to do is just one algorithm, but I'm not going to be teaching you that because that has 57 cases, but it are lots, right? But you can learn 10 of them, which is pretty easy, and that's also called a beginner OLL. Let me zoom out. Okay, so let me take the price. So I forgot to record something, that's why I'm recording again. So for getting cross, as I showed the Sune algorithm, sorry I have not shown, I will show in later videos because that I've shown only after making the cross. But what happen you make before the cross? So how to make the cross on the top? So you may get lots of cases, so let me take the case number 1. So guys, if you get some sort of dot like this, you should apply F R U R prime U prime F prime to get like this square shape. Okay, if you get the dot, if you getting like this dot, just apply F R U R prime U prime F prime. So to get the dot, after the dot like this, if you get some sort of like this, now like this, see here is a L, now keep this like this or like this only. Now you should apply this, do this wide F, small f means turning this to layers, then R U R prime U prime F prime. As you can see, we got a cross on the top. So now what happens if you get some sort of like this T case, means not T case except for the corners, here is a line. You may get corners also, but don't worry, just we are thinking about this. If you get some sort of like this line case, how to apply F R U R prime U prime F prime. So this is the arc for that. So yeah, these are the arcs for that. If you get a dot, let me do one more time overview. If you get a dot, just F R U R prime F prime, then so if you get a dot, F R U R prime F prime, then if you get this, F R U R prime F prime, and if you get only this, then take like this and do F R U R prime F prime. Now if you get like this line, do this F, take the line like this horizon, like this vertically, keep the hold it like this, then apply F R U R prime F prime. So guys, this is the first case where like this shape, as you can see, shape some sort of like this. So this corner piece faces to us, this corner piece faces to left, this corner piece faces to top. How to apply? R U R prime U prime R U to R prime. So this is the arc. Let me show you again. R, now finger trick. R U with this finger, R prime U R U to R prime. So this is the finger trick for this case. Now next case. This is the case number 2, which is also called the AntiSune. First one is called the Sune. This is called AntiSune, where this corner now shape same, but now this time this corner doesn't face to us. Whereas this corner, this one faces to there at top straight. This corner faces to left. This corner faces to this way. So this corner like this corner faces to us, this corner faces to that. How to do this AntiSune case is R U to R prime U prime R U prime R prime. So if you don't want to do regrip, like this is a so next case. So guys, this is a case number 2 where these two corner faces to us, these two corners faces to back. So how to align? F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So alright, so yes, that means you need to do 3 sexy moves. So what is sexy move? Just R U R prime U prime, F R U R prime U prime R U prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So this is the act for that. Now next case. So guys, this is the next case, which is also called the pi case. How these two, one faces to us, one faces to that way. Now the one faces to this way. Now both are like this headlight. Now these two faces diagonally. How to apply? R U2 R2 U prime R2 U R R2 U2 R. So this is our get the exact case which one I want. Okay, so R U2 R2 U2. So this is the act for that. So in case number 2. So this is the case number 2. Now these two corners not facing like this, these two corners are twisted and headlights like this. Now keep like this at the back, do this out. R2, this is also called a Superman, I think so. R2 D prime something R U2 R prime D R U2 R. So this is the arc. Let me show you again. R2 D R U2 R prime D prime R U2 R. So this is the arc for that. So next case. Now this is the case number 2 where these two are not facing to us. Now this time these two are facing to diagonally. So how to apply this? Top will be the top R U. So here written smaller, is going to be smaller. So smaller stands for just turning these two letters. R smaller U R prime U prime R prime F R F prime. So this is the way how to do that. Now let me take the last case, which is, so before taking the last case I want to tell you, if I'm going too fast, just comment me down, or you can comment at the or DM me on Instagram. Also if you want this algorithms, I will link in the description. Also I'm showing at the top. So how to apply this, which is some sort of like this. So keep like this, that one corner faces to you, one corner faces to left. Now how to apply? Over side. F prime, first do F prime move, then apply the last one which I showed you, R U R prime U prime, then R prime F R F prime. So this is the arc. I can show you a little bit slower. F. So this is the last case. So these are the beginner OLL algorithms which are also used by lots of cubers. Even if you want to be sub 20, it can be very helpful. Okay, alright, so I've joined my last this case. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video. Also follow me on Instagram. I will link my Instagram link will be in the description, or you can search VS Cubes. Also till next time, happy cubing, bye, and I'll see you guys next time, bye.